This is the Aqualap Pro XD. This swim spa has 2 control panels, one at either end. In this swim spa, there's 5 main controls around the swim spa that control the swim jets, and I'm going to show you them now. This swim spa has 3 jets, A and B on the top and C on the bottom. On the control panel, you can see we have swim jets A, B and C. To turn them on, press each button individually. Each swim jet has an air Venturi control, which increases and decreases the velocity of the swim jets. Down this end of the swim spa, we have 2 diverter levers, one for A and one for B. These help divert the water power from the swim spa jets at the end to the hydrotherapy jets down this end. We recommend when jumping into your swim spa, making sure the diverter valves are pointing towards the swim jets. And then you can adjust each air Venturi control to suit your aqua fitness needs. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, you can check out our swim spa articles and videos on our website.